going on? I think something's been going on in this room. What was that? Did you just hear something? I can hear somebody calling out. Hang on a minute, here's Phonics Bear. Phonics Bear, did you want to tell me what's happened? Really? Oh my goodness, do you know what he said? He said some characters have been trapped. Some toys have been trapped. So it's our job to set them free now. Uh-oh, look behind me. I think I know what Phonics Bear's talking about. Can you see over here? There's a sign. It says, help set us free. Those toys, look, can you see? They've all been trapped. Oh my goodness. They've all been trapped. Now, do you think we can set them free? Do you think you can help me? How do you think we're going to do it? Hang on a minute. I think Phonics Bear's trying to tell me something. What do we need to do, Phonics Bear? We need to find the stars, the correct star, and then use that superpower to set him free. Okay, yes, I can see. I've got here lots of different stars with different letters on. My challenge is to pick a star and then use that for my superpowers to set the character free. Once I've set them free, we're going to have to write out the letter sound and put them on top of it so that they stay safe. Now, if I'm going to do this, I think I'm going to need my superhero mask. So I've made myself a mask with a couple of pipe cleaners and a piece of coloured card. I'm going to put that on my face. Now, I think I'm ready to be a superhero. Do you? Now I've done that. Okay, it's time. I'm going to use my super magic wand. I've used a kebab stick and a piece of sticky tape. I've left the sticky tape loose and I'm going to have it sticky side down. Now, next up, I'm going to have a look at my stars and check all the different coloured stars. Let's see. Orange is S. Let's turn that upside down. Yellow is R. Let's turn that upside down. Light green is M. That's going to go down there in the middle. We've got this red one. That's the D. I've got this dark green colour. This is E. And this light red is the H. I'm going to put them all face down. Now they're all face down on my chalkboard, I'm going to see if I can just double check where they are. S, R, E, M, and D. Okay, now I've done that, I'm going to use my magic wand and see what star I'm going to pick. Let's see, I'm going to pick the red one over here. What did I get? It's the... Now, which character here begins with that sound? Spider-Man's trapped. Is it Spider-Man? Does he begin with this sound? Spider-Man. Hider-Man. No, it can't be that. What about Minnie Mouse? Are you all right, Minnie Mouse? Trapped. Oh, don't worry, Minnie Mouse. We'll soon set you free, won't we, children? Is that at the beginning of Minnie Mouse? Minnie Mouse. No. Hinny House. Hinny House? What about over here? Oh, look, who's this? That's Holly from Ben and Holly. Do you think she begins with this sound? Holly. Holly. Yeah, that is her sound. Okay, that means I can definitely set her free. So I'm just going to put my magic star down. Oh, how am I going to peel? How am I going to set her free? Oh, I'm going to have to use my pinchy powers. Use my pinchy powers to peel off the tape. Hooray! I've set Holly free. Yes. Now I've done that, I'm just going to take my whiteboard And I'm going to write the for Holly. Now Holly, you're going to sit on top of the and just lay down there on my table. That's it. Okay, who are we going to get next? Oh, use my magic wand. What one do we get? I've got this sound. D, d, d. Is D for Spider-Man, Minnie Mouse, dog, rabbit, or elephant? D, 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 d. Is D for rabbit? D, 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 d. Dabbit? That's not right. Rabbit. Yeah, it begins with a. What about D, d for dog? Dog. Dog. Yeah, that's it. D for dog. I'm going to put my magic down. Get ready to use the magic powers. The magic has actually started to set him free. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I can easily peel off the tape because I use my magic superpowers to set Doggy free. Now I've set Doggy free, I'm going to write the D on my board. We had for Holly and D for dog. There we go. Now I've done that, I'm going to put the dog on top of the D and Holly on top of the. In fact, I'll do that over here. You can see. He's nice and safe and Holly's nice and safe. Okay, let's use my magic wand, see what I'm going to get next. Oh, it's the S. Now, which toy begins with this sound? S. Is it Minnie Mouse? Minnie Mouse. What about rabbit? Rabbit or elephant? Elephant? That's not right. Spider-Man. Do you think he begins with this sound? I think he does. Quick, I need to get my magic power. Put it in my hand. I think it's starting to work. Come on then, Spider-Man. Let's set you free. Yes, I've done it. Now I've set him free. I'm going to write the S on my board. Written S on my board, and now Spider-Man can go on the special Keep Me Safe board with Holly and Doggy. Okay, let's see which one I get next. Ooh, it's R for Minnie Mouse, rabbit or elephant? Minnie Mouse? Minnie. No, it's not that one. She begins with a M. For rabbit. Rabbit. Yeah, that's it. Come on then, rabbit. Let's get ready. I'm going to hold on to my magic power. Get it in my hand. Start charging up the magic. Let's see if I say, yes, I'm able to set rabbit free. Yippee. Okay, now I need to write rabbit on my board. We'll write the R for rabbit. I've written the R for rabbit. And now I'm going to put this back down and put rabbit with the board. Okay, let's see. Look, we've only got 2 stars left. Light green or dark green? Oh, it's Who begins with Is it elephant or Minnie Mouse? What do you think? Did you say Minnie Mouse? I think you're right. M for Minnie Mouse. Let's get the power. Hold it in my hand. Get ready to shoot my magic powers. I think I've done it. Let's set Minnie Mouse free. Yes, I've done it. I can take my board. Write out for Minnie Mouse. There we go. I did it. Put my board down. Put Minnie Mouse with my board. We've only got 1 star left. And there's only 1 toy left. It's elephant. Let's see what we've got. sound for the last one. It is F for elephant. Put the magic in my hand. Let's see if it's worked. It did work. Yes, I've now set elephant free. Elephant, go there with your friends. I'm going to write this down so it keeps him safe. E for elephant. Yes, I've done it. I've set them all free. Hooray, 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 hooray. They're all so happy. So there you go. That's your first activity this week, is to play a game called Set Me Free. You might like to dress up as a superhero and see what toys you can trap. Just make sure that all your toys have got a different sound at the beginning of their name. Okay, have lots of fun. Goodbye.